write down all these 4 reactions, and we have to find out where Kp is equal to Kc, or less than Kc, or more than Kc. Okay, so we have to write down Kp is equal to Kc RT delta N, and then we'll check the number of moles and number of products, number of moles of product and number of moles of reactant, and we have to find the difference between them. So product we write down first and then reactant. So here 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. Okay, so delta N is equal to minus 1, then Kp is equal to Kc RT power minus 1. So that will be, we can rewrite like this: Kp is equal to Kc by RT. So Kc is much higher than Kp, right? Why? Because Kp is multiplied by RT, then we will get Kc. So Kc is higher and then Kp is lower. Now in second case, CO plus 3H2, 3 plus 1, 4 mole of reactant, and 1, 2 moles of products. So what will be the answer of delta Ng? That is 2 minus 4. So delta N will be equal to minus 2. See here, this is delta N is equal to minus 2. Okay, now formula will be Kp is equal to Kc RT power minus 2. Okay, then it will be Kp is equal to Kc by RT square. What does it mean? That Kp is much lower than Kc, or you can say Kc is much higher than Kp. Okay, because when Kc is divided by square of RT square, then we'll get Kp. So it will be Kp will be having lower value. Now in this case, BrCl 2 moles of this we are taking, and 1 plus 1, 2 moles of this products are there. So reactants are 2 and products are 2. So delta N will be equal to 0. At that moment, Kp is equal to Kc RT power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. So Kp is equal to Kc. So in this case, when number of moles of reactant equals to the number of moles of product, at that moment Kp will be equal to Kc. Now in the next case, we'll see I2 plus gives you twice of I, that is 1 mole of reactant and 2 moles of product. So products are more here, so 2 products minus 1 mole of reactant. So answer will be plus. Delta N is equal to plus 1. And what does it mean? It means Kp is higher than Kc, because when Kc is multiplied by RT, then only we'll get Kp. So Kp is greater than Kc in this case. So when delta N is positive, then only we'll get higher Kp. See here, I have written more. Delta N is equal to 0 means number of moles of reactant and products both are equal. So Kp is equal to Kc. Right? Now delta N is equal to minus 1 or minus 2 or minus 3. In all these cases, Kp will be less than Kc. Okay, as the number of delta N minus will become bigger, minus 3, minus 4 like this. So this will be Kp means Kc will be much higher as compared to Kp. Right? Now when delta N is positive only, then only Kp will be higher than Kc. Okay, so because at that moment we had to write down like this: Kp is equal to Kc RT, here power 1, Kc RT square, Kc RT whole cube. So see here, Kp is increasing as the number of delta N is going to plus. Here plus 1, plus 2 or plus 3 I have written also, plus 3 delta N. Okay, so when delta N plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, so see, value of Kp is going to be increased. RT means Kc RT, then RT square, then whole this, okay, not only this, like this. So Kp will be much higher in this case. So when delta N is positive, then only Kp will be higher. When delta N is minus 1, minus 2 or minus 3, then as this number magnitude of negative will be increases, the Kp will be decreases, and Kc will become more and more and more, higher and higher. Thank you for watching. God bless you.